Hey y'all, I just want to big up Island Shippers and Kevin for making the process easy for me to ship things to Jamaica to my mom and my sister. Y'all, let me tell you something. I was having some real serious issues with utilizing the website, and I was not happy about it. And so I reached out to their customer service on WhatsApp as well as on Facebook, and I wasn't getting the response I wanted. Nobody was picking up, but that was okay. Nonetheless, the same day, Kevin reached out to me, and he lightened the situation. I relaxed a bit, and we started talking about the issue that I had. He stayed on the phone with me just to make sure that everything was going intact. I was able to make my order, follow the process with his guidance, and be able to set everything up on the Island Shippers webpage. Y'all, if you need somebody to ship your stuff to Jamaica, check out Island Shippers. You're not gonna regret it. And you know what happened too? My payment I didn't pay at the same time, and it was like 3 days in, and they are taking care of my package just the same, without any setbacks, without any additional fees. And yo, people, speaking about fees, do you know that you only pay one set fee when you are doing one of their rate boxes, if you're shipping food, that is. So I just want to big y'all up, big up Island Shippers, and thank you for making the process easy for me to send the food to my mother and my sister. Ray, thank you. Y'all have a great day, and y'all people, check out Island Shippers for your shipping needs to Jamaica or wherever else you want to ship within the US or outside of the US. All right, thank you.